Hey, welcome back to the fourth video on how to build an Airbus in Plasticity for beginners. So in the last video we got this part of the wing ready to go, and for this one I'm going to go over how to build this one. So as you can see here, we have like a discrepancy in thickness. All I need to do is select this guy here, make the thicken tool active. Just don't try to do that manually, guys, you'll never guess the right value. Just paste the thickness value inside the fields down here. Okay, let's turn off the wireframe overlay, and as you can see, they just mate. They do match perfectly, no difference in thickness. So let's isolate this, and now I'd like to bevel these sharp angles. So let's go to the top view, and let me show this. Hit B on the keyboard, and I just want to bevel that out. Alright, so once I've done that, you can go ahead and hold down Alt and left mouse click to select both loops and just bevel that out. Just a bit. You want it to be barely visible, guys. And so they do mate perfectly. Yeah, I like it. So we can go ahead. Maybe I should have beveled that a little bit more. Oh, no worries, guys, we're just practicing. So let's go ahead and let's now work on flaps. So what I want to do now, I'm going to create like a cross section here, like we did in the first video, to join this part with the tip of the wing, right? So hold down Alt and left mouse click to select the loop, and then go down here and to the toolbar and click on patch hole. That'll create a face like this. And let's speed up the video just a little bit, guys. We've already seen that. I'll catch up on it with you in a bit. Okay, welcome back, and let's switch over to the top view. Let's have a look at it. So as you can see, we have this ugly part here. We're gonna get rid of this quickly. And so let's grab the line tool and just draw a line like this. But if I do that, so if I go beyond the edge of the wing with my line, I think I'm going to cut the other wing. I don't want to do that, so let's switch over to the top view. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut here, right here. So let's delete this line and grab the line tool, and I'm going to cut here, right? So let's go all the way up here. And there we go. So you just want to leave this space here, which is where wings mate. So you don't want to touch that. And just extend the line right here to create the spoilers. Now I want to cut them all to create individual panels. So I'm going to cut here, and then I'm going to just duplicate the line and put it here. Alright, so all you need to do now is select your curves and hit C on the keyboard and then select the wing. So we can actually get rid of this piece here. But for now, let's cut everything. So select the curves and always hit C and select the piece you want to cut. When you're done, select all the curves and put them in their own folder. So let's switch over to the top view and let's now cut the slats, which are these on the leading edge. As usual, just select the curve, hit C, and select the wing. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to fillet everything, and I'm going to use the value I've pasted inside my text file. Okay, so let's now delete these two guys. And what I want to do is exactly what I did in my second video. So I'm going to select those edges and hit Shift D to create curves. Then I'm going to generate the guides to kind of recover the curvature of the wing. And then I'm going to loft them to get my panels back, but straight. I'm going to isolate my flap. What I want to do is I'm going to use my isoparam tool, Control R on the keyboard, and just hover over the edge. We've already seen how to do that. So let's cut down here too and select the face and delete it. And then you can thicken this out by using this value here. Okay, let's split the flap now. Let's go to the top view and grab the line tool and just draw a line like this and then hit C and select the flap. There we go. As you may have noticed, I couldn't really fillet those panels, and that's because I think there's a problem around here. So I'm going to isolate my panels and I'm just going to try to figure out where the problem is. I think I've just spotted where the problem is. This edge right here is preventing the fillet tool from working properly. So what I'm gonna do is just, I'm going to hit 3 on the keyboard to go to face mode and select this face and this one, then hold down Shift and hit delete. Then hold down Alt, select the loop and click on patch hole to create a new face. And it should now work, hopefully. Yeah, right. So let's do the same right down here. Delete, select the loop, patch hole, and bevel this. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and bevel the rest of the panels, and I'll see you in the next video.